everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or a live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CheKesha Simms of Her Lovely Plan, and I am back today with a planner related video. This video is going to be a flip through of my setup in my micro notes that is from the Happy Planner. This is actually the notes from the Wrong release, and I want to go ahead and show you what I'm using it for as I show you my setup. So if you want to see how I set this up, why I'm using it outside of all the other planners that I'm using now, which really aren't a lot, keep watching. So little story, because you know I like to talk a little bit. So I went into Joann's. I don't even know what I was really looking for, but I just went in there because I had to go to Office Max. So, you know, you can't bypass a craft store if it's right next door to another store that you went to. So I decided to go in there with no intentions on buying anything, not looking for anything in particular. And of course, I'll go to the planner section because that's what all planner girls do, right? So anyway, so I went and I saw they still had a few things left from the Wrong release. And as I was looking, I saw this cute little micro notes, and I am a note taker. I like to take my notes, and then after I take them down, I'll transfer them into whatever planner they need to go. Because I do really sloppy notes, I don't want to just put anything in my planner, because my planner is kind of like my pride and joy. I want everything to be as neat as possible. So I decided to get this initially to just jot down notes, you know, get confirmation numbers or write down things and supplies that I need just on the go notepad, because I had currently been using just the little passport notebooks that were coming in the Simply Gilded subscription boxes. But I thought this was cute, and you know, I'm still a Happy Planner girl at heart, even though I don't use one daily. So I got it. I use it a little while. These are actually the sheets that came in it. It says hello today, and you know, this was fine with me. But I started to think, like, Keisha, you know, Monday you're kind of getting a little more dedicated to your workout journey. You need something that you can keep with you in your fanny pack when you go to the gym or when you go walking, so you can notate whatever you need to track for that day. So I know you're saying, well, weren't you tracking that in your A5? I was, but it was too much insert for the minimal amount of tracking that I was doing, and I was like, I can use that section for something else. So I took it out, and then I just was using the little tracking section on my new A5 insert, which is my weekly. But you know, then I thought about it, like, when I do really get into working out, I'm not going to have enough space to write some specific things, but I didn't need a whole lot of space, and I really didn't need to decorate, you know, my workout planner or my workout insert. So I decided, after researching some hashtags on the micro Happy Planners, because you know your girl is a hashtag researcher, I started seeing some really cute ideas and things. So then my little brain says, ding, ding, ding. Why spend money on buying inserts or, well, buying, you know, pages to put in here? Go on Etsy and look up micro, you know, Happy Planner micro printables. So my search, I found some really good things, and I want to show you what I found. And now let's go into how I'll be using this. So just to go into my setup while I'm explaining the whole thing. So of course you can't have, you know, a tracker or a planner without decorating it. So right here, what I did, I created this pocket by using the same concept that I would use if I was making a dashboard, and it just doesn't have the opening because I don't really need to put any you know, paper to decorate it. So I decided to use this cute die cut from Le Cinq Out, better known as Shop LCA, because I figured if I'm tracking my workout, I mean, she looks like she just came from the gym with her hoodie, and I can just put her in here or take her out whenever I need to. And then I just took a little bit of sticky, like the tape runner, and just put a little dot on here so if I needed to ever take it off, it wouldn't be, you know, permanent. So this is also a die cut from Shop LCA, and this is Throw Shine Not Shade, and I figured it would just go really nice with the inside. So then I have this vellum that I had from a kit, and I just cut it down to size. And then this first printable is the monthly views, and I got this from Maybe Plan on Etsy, and these came in May through December. So of course May is over, you might as well say it's over, so I didn't use the May, but I printed these. They come in different each month is a different color, and it's, you know, perfect for me to, I can either cross out the days that I work out or just use it, you know, as a at a glance section. And then this is some more vellum, and this came from Shop LCA. She has, I believe, a paper pack kit, and it came with this. And then I decided to add this cute little pocket card. Now this pocket card came from a kit that I got from Villa Beautiful, and these pocket cards are perfect. So if you ladies have pocket cards, you don't need to do any cutting. All you need to do is just punch your holes using your Happy Planner punch or whatever disc bound punch you have, and pop it right in. So I didn't have to do anything to this. So I may add some more, but I didn't really want to get this too chunky because I didn't really want to switch the disc out right now. So I just punch holes in that. Then these next ones are the actual weekly printables, and this is what it looks like. You get 2 weeks. Hold on. Yeah, you get 2 weeks on one page, and all you would do is print them, feed it through, and flip it over, and it prints in two, so it's 2 weeks, but it is a printable. You could print it for one whole month. So you could either just do it this way, but I wanted to be front and back when I flipped it, so I just refed it through and it printed on the back, but this one doesn't have the, you know, the printout on the back. But this is perfect because I don't have to worry about doing a lot of decorating, because for the most part it was kind of becoming overwhelming because I'm like, okay, I got this whole insert and then I got all this space that I'm not filling up. Let me load it up with stickers. And with this, I really don't have to do much of anything. Like I could add like one little workout sticker there if I wanted to, write what I did for Monday. And then in this section, I might just use this as like a little, you know, put a little workout sticker here, or use this to track my weight loss or any goals that I may have for that week. And it's perfect. And so, you know, I just flip it and it's enough for each month that I printed off. So then I also printed off this dot grid paper, and this dot grid paper I also got off of Etsy, and this comes from the Introvert Mom, and it comes in a bundle. So this was $3.50. You get your line, your dot grid, and your regular grid, and I just decided just to do dot grid just in case I wanted to jot something in here. That was that. And in regards to the printables from Maybe Plans, let me see if I can get it. Where are you at? I love doing flip throughs because you never know how it's going to be. Well, anyway, so this right here, the Micro Happy Planner weekly undated inserts are $2.95. And then these, the monthly or the calendar pages, are $2.95 as well. And you figure you could print them off. If you know anybody that has them, you can, you know, pay for it and print some off and give them to them as well. So this is another pocket that I made, and these are die cuts that came from Scribble Prints Co. I believe it was her mystery box, but it was gifted to me by a planner friend, so I really don't know if she still has these or not. So it came with this, some bows, and a whole lot of other things. And then what I did was just took another piece of vellum, and I cut it to size, and I just put one of the little flowers that came in the print, the Scribble Prints Co. kit, another piece of vellum here, and then just a repeat. So I'm not going to go through all of that. And just to kind of let you see too as well, the dot grid is like a grayish dot grid and then a pinkish color. So then this is another piece of vellum, and vellum. And this was acetate. I said vellum. This was acetate. And then I have another piece of acetate. This, I'm not sure what kit this came from, but as you can see, I just kind of tacked down these two pieces that also came from Scribble Prints Co. And this is August. And each month I always add some extra paper in the back. In September, as you can see, each month has a different color. And then I have some more vellum here and another piece of the acetate with this bouquet of flowers. And then I have October. No, did I skip October? That was October. And then this is some of the same vellum. And then another piece of acetate. And this is November. And then December, I just have a piece of acetate here. And then on the back is another pocket that I made. But this time I actually put some vellum inside of the laminate pocket to make it a little decorative. And then I added this, I am not bossy, I'm the boss. And this came from Shop LCA as well. And this book right here came out of that Scribble Prints Co. kit. And then I have this little cute little pocket that I put on the back, and this came from Rose Colored Days. And you know, I could just stick something in there small, you know, like a little note, sticky notes or something like that, if I wanted to, you know. Let's see, well, this one won't fit, but something small can fit inside of there. So yeah, so this is my micro notes that I am going to use to be tracking, and I'll probably do like little flip throughs of this on my Instagram page, you know, just so you kind of see. I will probably zhuzh week 1 up and show you how I'm going to use the insert, but this probably won't be any, you know, video that I do on a regular basis, other than maybe just giving you an update. So I hope you like my setup of my new planner that I'll be using to track my fitness journey that I am determined to be consistent on. And you know, a lot of days you get up with intentions to work out and it just doesn't happen. But as long as you have the intentions are what motivates you to keep saying and keep speaking. The more you keep saying, the more you keep speaking, then eventually you will do it. So I think I'm at the eventually I'm gonna do stage. So I hope you like this video. If so, give me a big old thumbs up and drop me a comment below and let me know what you're using to track your workouts and your fitness journey. So if this has inspired you, do me a favor and share this with your planner friends so they can be inspired to create their own workout plan. So until next time, loves, peace. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.